Yeah, so the judge ruled that basically Galligan's competence will not be restored now or ever in the foreseeable future. And today in court, you never really see both sides agreeing, but the prosecution and the defense both agreed that this dismissal was unfair. But the law, it's rare.
Everybody walked out of that door saying the law needs to change.
It was a courtroom where both sides agreed. The system is broken.
We did not have a good faith way to fight it, given the severity of the mental health issues, given the finding after finding after finding.
Solomon Galligan was charged with attempted kidnapping, accused of grabbing a child during recess at an Aurora elementary school in April of last year. 16 months later, Assistant DA Ryan Brackley knew how Thursday's court hearing would end.
Under the operation of the law, the court had no choice but to dismiss this case.
Case dismissed. Colorado law doesn't allow the prosecution of anyone who can't participate in their own defense.
This was a very rare case where the medical health professional said they could not be restored to competency.
It was a courtroom where no one won. Not the families like Dante White's whose kids were on the field that day.
So this is something that's going to forever stick with them.
Not Galligan either. It's the fourth time in under a decade that felony charges against Galligan have been dropped due to mental incompetency.
From Ms. Galligan's perspective, she may be released out into the community without adequate resources, without an ability to provide those resources, and that's not a win to her or her family.
Once a case is dismissed for mental incompetence, the criminal justice system can't do anything.
Public safety is at risk because of our inability to mandate treatment when someone is found incompetent and a case is dismissed.
Fixing the system, he says, failed them all, is exactly why Dante White showed up to this courtroom.
Front right now, and I think that if we don't effectively push forward with change, it's going to get much, much worse.
The judge ordered the maximum 3-month treatment allowed under Colorado law, and the defense attorneys hope that they are putting Galligan into a longer-term care facility afterwards. Now, last year I spoke with Galligan's family, and that's all they've ever wanted, is for Galligan to be in a long-term care facility with consistent mental health support, and it's something that Galligan has never received. Reporting live in Arapahoe County, Rhea Jha, 9 News.